pouring outside and you need a rain jacket. In this video, I'm going to share with you the Watertight 2 rain jacket by Columbia. So you notice right off the bat that this is a packable rain jacket. Has a mesh lining. This features Columbia's Omnitech technology, which is waterproof and breathable. It has a adjustable storm hood. You can see it's got a nice bill here, toggles on the side for easy adjustment, and then it does have a abrasion-free chin guard. Also has a drawstring adjustable hem, zipper pockets, Velcro adjustable sleeves to keep water out. As far as fit goes, I'm 6'4". I bought an extra large, and if I stretch my arms out here, it's just right. This rain jacket usually retails for about $100. Right now it is on sale for $70 at Columbia.com. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can go and sign up to the email list and get even more discounts at Columbia.com. And if you need a pair of waterproof hiking shoes to go with that rain jacket, meet me over on this video here and I'll tell you about the Adidas Terex waterproof hiking shoe.